Hi, and welcome to 2240 South Kansas Avenue in South Springfield, Missouri. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage attached. It also has a fenced backyard and patio out back. Come on in, let's take a look. Here we're going in. You'll notice it's got some nice high ceilings when you walk in, as well as a fireplace there. Here is the dining area and the kitchen. The kitchen has all the appliances, has a nice refrigerator there, stove and microwave, plenty of cabinets, as well as a dishwasher. And here off of the kitchen is where the 2-car garage is. Right there is where your washer-dryer hookups are, and there's a nice patio door outside. We'll be looking at that shortly. Here's the living room. Does have nice ceiling fans. And going down the hall here, we'll take a look at the bath. Has a nice tub shower combo here. Now we'll go ahead and go into the first bedroom here. It also has a ceiling fan. Nice sized closet there. Here you notice that it also has an attic fan. And there's plenty of storage here in the hall. There's a storage closet right here. And then a second larger linen storage closet right here. Here we'll go ahead and go into the second bedroom. It also has a nice ceiling fan. Good sized closet there. And then we'll go into the master bedroom. Of course, there's a ceiling fan in it as well. And the master bedroom actually has a walk-in closet. We'll show you here. Good size closet here. And then there is a separate bath right here off of the master bedroom. And this one has a shower, as you can see right here. Now we're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in the backyard. Nice fenced backyard, and it even has a storage shed with concrete floors. And there you have 2240 South Kansas Avenue. We look forward to seeing you.